Hi there, I'm Stacie from the Makeup Obsessed Mom blog, and today I am teaming up with Hair Biology for a sponsored video to tell you about their hair products. So as we all know, as we age, our hair changes. It's just a part of life, and some of us might experience thinning of our hair. Others of us might experience some dryness and some brittleness, some breakage of our hair, and we probably all are experiencing some graying or silvering of our hair as well. So the Hair Biology brand believes that all women should feel confident and celebrate their age. They should celebrate their hair, the changes in their hair, and I totally agree. So that's why they formulate products to help us love our hair even with the changes that we are experiencing. For me, the grays have arrived big time lately. So for now, I choose to cover them up with color. And this process can be a little bit damaging and maybe even more drying to my hair. The way that I combat it is by using products that are going to bring moisture back into my hair. And the products that I'm using are from their Soft and Hydrated collection. And these are the shampoo and conditioner products. These debuted at Target several months ago, and I've been using them ever since. My hair is super thick. It's naturally wavy. It can be a little bit on the coarse side. And up until a few weeks ago, actually, it was all the way down my back. I literally just had 8 to 9 inches chopped off my hair. And I'm loving the fun new, kind of a little bit more playful, sort of more trendy haircut. But there's lots of different ways I can wear it, and lots of these ways involve heat tools. And a lot of times heat tools can damage our hair as well. So what I do is I start with the moisturizing shampoo and the moisturizing conditioner when I wash my hair. Then they also actually have a deep hydrating mask, and this helps to keep the hair looking shiny and soft and silky. And then they also have an argan taming serum, and I use this before I dry my hair and before I use the heat products to keep the frizzies away. And then if I do have some frizzies kind of arrive, maybe due to weather or whatever's happening, maybe some more dryness, I just put some extra on my hair, and it kind of helps to tame the frizzies. So this has kind of been my go-to quartet lately, is what I call it. These products are available at Target. They're also available at Target online, and they're just $9.99 each, which is actually just amazing to me. Just a fantastic price. They actually have 3 different collections in the Hair Biology line, and there is a collection for people that have silver hair. There's a collection that is a volumizing collection, and that's for people with thin hair that maybe need some more volume to their hair and more thickening for their hair. And then there's this hydrating collection that I just shared that I use. So Hair Biology encourages us all to be bolder, not older, and to love our hair. So I hope you'll check out these products so you can feel proud and confident in your hair too. Thanks so much for watching.